What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna give you this nice smoky eye glitter crease look. What we're focusing is a mini review slash tutorial how to get this eye look and how how the products are working for me. I bought a setting spray of Wet n Wild and a setting powder from Elf. So I'll be doing you guys a 2 to 4 hour check-in. So if you want to see how I got this nice. Okay guys, so we start out with a bare face, and don't mind this little guy here. He wanted to come to town to visit, you know what it is, you know, with the pimples. My husband had it here, the same, a little bit higher than me, and I made fun of him. So you know, it happens. I believe in that. So I have this. It was really huge, but you know, I'm breaking out for some reason. So I promise I'll upload the other makeup tutorial. I just want to upload another makeup tutorial. So because I got like 2 new things basically, a setting spray and a foundation powder. So first we're gonna moisturize our face. So yeah guys, so after that we're gonna start off with our eyebrows. Going in with this Wish brush that I bought on Wish. Concealer, I'm using this Dermacol makeup cover. It's really good. It's not full coverage. Don't gas it up. Don't and I'm just putting it in the back of my hands. I usually don't use this. I use my NYX Dark Concealer Corrector, but I just want to blend this because it matches with my skin. It has a flat part. I use it almost like the side to get in there in the bottom of my eye. Don't worry, it's gonna get dirty. I try to wash it off, but I have to buy the Beauty Blender Clean Bottom Eye Looks. Okay, and I'm gonna go back in there with the same makeup cover and go in the top. Not even on the top, like in the side. So this is how I'm doing it, like that. Like that. Same thing here. Okay, eyebrow. Now go back in with your pencil. You already have the kind of form it up, so I'm gonna go back my eyebrow pencil. Use the spoolie. Okay guys, sorry. So as I said in the intro, you know, I'm recording with my phone. My phone is lagging. Moving on, we're gonna use the same it dries your color. So here's trying. This is how I just dabbed it. It dries to a dark color. So we're gonna grab this to our lids. Like I said, I usually use my concealer, but this time I'm using this because it covers somewhat of my dark circles. See? And I got it on the Beauty Blender. Use our concealer today. And I'm sorry if I keep looking up, guys. I just need the mirror sometimes. Okay. So now. Okay, so you might be used to seeing beauty gurus setting their concealer, whatever they prime the lids with. Not gonna do that. One reason. you set your eyes with powder, it's not, your shadow is not gonna pop. You need that little pop, your eyeshadow. So not concealing. So I'm gonna use my bronzer slash blush kit. So this is the bronzer I use. It comes like this. Beauty supply once again. It's like that. I'm seeing the reflection of my phone. See right there. So I'm gonna go in with this light shade. But before we do that, with this light color here, the edge makeup, and we're just gonna put this all over the lid, all the way up to the brow bone. This is the brush I used. And we're gonna go in with that light brown, what I use, and this is to bronze my face. I don't contour, I just bronze. We're gonna go in the middle of the so that should be looking like that for the outer corner of my eye. I used the black that day with this one, but this time I'm just gonna grab more black. I'm gonna go back in with that blending brush. We're gonna grab the same brown that we put. Now I cut my crease that day, like I kind of concealed like my lid to give that shimmer nice pop. But today I'm not. We could have gone check if Target was open because I needed some things, and we went. Thank God we went, and he was like, "Don't buy so much makeup today. Like wait, because guys, we're humans. We're struggling with finance. Face powder." So I did, and I got it. So I prime my lid like that. It's similar to the last look I did. That's gonna go up first in this one, but I promise you it's not. So we're gonna go with that highlight powder. Taking that gold shimmer in the middle. As you can tell, I've used it already. So that should be your eye. It looks really messy, but you know, it's like this sometimes. And it's really buttery. It has a lot of fallout, but it's really buttery. Like I'm a swatch in the back of my hair. Like it's really buttery, but it's, that's the gold that I put in my lid. Like, so this is how my eyes are looking, cray cray, but some of the concealer went up a little to my crease. Big ass brush for a small brow bone. Just a little bit in the edge of our eye. All my makeup. Like since I put lotion, so I'ma just go with our foundation. I like this foundation. It's just that it's not full coverage, yo. Like, and I use 2 pumps. Foundation. I grabbed that from. Everybody's getting pregnant on YouTube. Like, I've been trying, so maybe it's not my time. I'm only 20. got pregnant at 19. The story time is gonna go up, you know, before I get, you know. You know what timing? Crooked ass line I just did. And it's an owl face with our elf face powder. Okay, look at my hands. They're sweating, they're glittering, they're all over the place. We'll see how this reacts now that my face is primed, moisturized. Let me in my ojo. I'll grab that nice shade. Whoa! Look at that glow, though. See that glow? Oh, heaven has come down. And if that's too much for you, I don't know what's too much. Temple. I like so much highlight on my temple. And the pick of my mouth, bridge of my nose, the little. Sometimes I don't put too much highlight in my nose, but today, since I'm not going out and nobody's gonna look at me, and if I want to look a clown, I'll look like a clown. But today, I'm trying to go with that natural glow. Not natural. Who am I kidding? Okay, so now I'm gonna show you this quick trick, guys. This trick. I'm being so extra, like I don't act like this. So since I put my Makeup Forever highlighter, I'm gonna go in with that gold shade right here. Grab a little bit. Okay, not a little bit. And like mix it together with that. To not make it look so. Okay, guys, sorry. This is full of storage again. So I'm just gonna do this really quick. To show you guys how I do this. Then I'll do this. Okay, so if that's too much for you, make sure you go again with your setting spray. This and like pat it. Kind of tone it down and set your highlights in place and not look everything look powdery. Okay. But for me, this is not too much highlight. This is perfect highlight. Sorry. Okay. Okay. Now, up to the lips. Up to the lips. So yeah, guys, this is the final look.